workouts, abs are gone. Man, I just spent like the last 2 minutes looking at what day it was. I think it was 48. Let's check the weight. 229 pounds. Man, I've been kind of hovering over 230 pounds for the past, like, I don't know, a couple of days. I think I'm slowly gaining weight now. At the beginning, it was rapid weight gain, but now it's like starting to slow down. Probably eat some grilled cheese sandwiches and some snacks, so let's get to it. Good morning, guys. We got breakfast right here. 5 eggs right here. 2 slices of bread. For a total amount of maybe like 400 calories, I think. Look how cozy the dog is. Bro, she is slumped. Bro, it's getting cold. It's getting really cold outside. And I do not like the cold. I'm gonna eat this, and I'll catch you guys later. Guys, currently 1:57. Got myself here a nice coffee around 400 calories. And I might be thinking, hey, why are you drinking a nice coffee? Or really any kind of caffeine past like 12? Well, it's because I'm tired. And usually I drink coffees like anywhere from like 12. Oh, really anywhere from like 10 all the way up to like 2. 2 is like probably max. Like 2:30 is a max. But I built up a bit of a tolerance, so yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. So yeah, I slept for around 6 or 7 hours. Woke up exhausted, like actually exhausted. And as this day started to go on, though, I feel better now. I'm not tired anymore. But when I woke up, I was like, damn. Right when I get home, I'm gonna have to take a nap. I don't feel that anymore. Look at this pretty dog. Pretty dog! You eating the flowers? Why are you eating the flowers? Here's meal number 2. 300 grams of chicken thighs. Delicious. How much was it? 600 calories. A tablespoon of olive oil should be around 700 calories. So guys, currently 4:35. Gonna make myself 2 packets of ramen for the big back day later. Probably like 2 kiwis too. And I have around 3,000 calories left. After this meal, I'll have around 2,000 calories left. So I'll show you guys the finished product. Here's the finished product. Got 2 packets of Momofuku ramen. And I don't know why, but this is looking huge today. I think I let it boil for an extra like 40 seconds or something. So now just like more water got absorbed in the noodles. Look at the dog. She's posted. And I'm gonna eat 2 kiwis too, so it should be around like, I think it's around like 700 calories. Could be more. Okie dokie at the gym right now. Starting off with some cable rows. D-handle cable rows right here. Gonna do 4 sets and go to absolute true failure. So let's get to it. Alright, that was 12 reps with a few partials at the end. Gonna do 3 more sets of these. And another movement. Alright, 3rd set now. Didn't record the second set.
Our goal is only to get 808 calories. That's like something. But that's your number. I like the goal.
I would say that's like a solid 9. Solid 9 reps. At the end it was a bit sloppy, partial reps, so. Alright, last set. That is feeling pretty good. Might do one more set. Post back day. Post back lift. Man, it was an amazing workout. More and more calories I eat. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. I wanted to pose in that room with good lighting, where I posed yesterday, but it was pretty filled in there. I did not want to pose. I didn't want to record with my shirt off and make the other people uncomfortable. But man, did I have a good workout. Lighting in this bathroom is not that bad. Man, I'm looking good. Woo, man. I am looking swole. Back day is probably my most favorite day. It's my most favorite body part of the day. Man, I'm looking good. Alright, looking pretty good. Man, I'm still lean too. Kind of lean. Woo. Tomorrow's probably gonna be delts and calves. We're gonna try to hit calves at least 2 times a week. Alright, start with a back pull bicep. Oh. Alright. Do it one more time, but a bit more upright. Alright, let's do a right side chest pose. Oh wait, let me do it the way I was. Let me do it the way my friend taught me. Oh, pretty good. Same thing with the left side. Alright. Looking really good. So most muscular. Oh, looking good. No abs. Abs are gone. Yeah. I'm gonna check if the posing room is open. If not, then I'll probably just do a few more poses in here. I forgot to do one more pose. It's all about the angles. What is up, guys? Post gym lift. It's currently 7:33, and I got myself here around 400 grams of apples. Should be around 200 calories, and it's 7:33, and I have around 2,000 calories left, so not too bad. I'll eat the leftover chicken teriyaki, which should be around 700 calories, and then eat probably some snacks and then some peanut butter and milk to end off this beautiful day. So, I'm gonna eat this as I shower, and then I'll catch you guys in the next meal. What's up, guys? Currently 7:48. Just got out of the shower. My acne is bad. It is getting real bad. I forgot to put on the tretinoin cream yesterday. So this is day number 3 or 4 of putting on acne medicine. Here she is. It is 4 years expired, but I think that's fine. I don't think really it's gonna be making all that much of a difference. That's perfect. Alright. Let's put some on here. I forget what day it was, maybe it was like 2 days ago. After I put on this cream, my face was just burning. Maybe it's because I put a whole bunch on at once. Because I'm not really sure. I think it's around like a pea size you're supposed to put on. Oh, the weeks are flying by. It's already week number 7 of my classes, and next week are midterms. So I gotta lock in today and then study. Begin my studies now. Let's go now and eat some food. I literally just ate 61 grams of peanut butter right here with 300 grams of whole milk. When I tried to save the recording on Snapchat, it got deleted before I could even save it. Well, anyway, I just had 61 grams of peanut butter, and here are the macros. I'll probably eat some more. Alright, so I ate around 545 calories worth of peanut butter and milk. I'll probably eat another 61 grams, and then eat some food, and some snacks too. Let's do this again. I've measured 300 grams in this specific cup so many times, I just know when to stop. It's like right here is 300 grams. Alright, another 61 grams down the hatch. Let's do this. There we go. Wow, usually it takes a lot of willpower out of me to actually eat the peanut butter. Some days the peanut butter just does not want to go down. There was another 500 calories. So in total, well, this is 64 grams right here. In total, it should be around 1,000 calories. So off to the next meal.
Clever.